International Trade Quotation, a practical guide for Bangladeshi businesses. Are you a Bangladeshi entrepreneur looking to export your products abroad? Ever wondered what exactly an international trade quotation is and how to create one that seals the deal? Welcome back to Practical Import-Export from beginning to end, your go-to channel for everything import-export and international trade. Today we are diving into the practical side of international trade quotations, what they are, what they include, and how you can use them to grow your business globally. Let's get started. What is a quotation in international trade? A quotation in international trade is like a detailed offer or estimate. Before any final agreement or sales contract is signed, the seller, that's you, gives the buyer a clear picture of what you're offering, how much it costs, and under what conditions. Why is it important? Because it sets the tone. A clear quotation prevents misunderstandings later. It tells the buyer, here's what I'm offering, and here's what you'll get. In international trade, especially when dealing with buyers thousands of miles away, clarity is everything. Key components of an international quotation. Let's break down what a good international quotation includes, step by step. Check mark 1. Seller and buyer details. This includes your company name, address and contact info, and the same for the buyer. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes. First impressions count. Check mark 2. Goods description. Be specific. Let's say you're exporting Jamdani sarees from Narayanganj. Don't just write saree, mention the type, fabric, design details, color, size, and quantity. You can even include the HS code for smooth customs clearance. Check mark 3. Price. Always mention the price per unit, total price, and the currency. For example, USD or BDT. Also specify whether the price includes shipping or not. Check mark 4. Incoterms. These are standardized international terms like FOB Chattogram or CIF Dhaka, which clarify who's responsible for what, like shipping, insurance, or unloading. We'll cover Incoterms more deeply in another video, so stay tuned. Check mark 5. Payment terms. How will the buyer pay you? For instance, 30% advance, 70% upon delivery via bank transfer. Make it clear, and always ensure it's backed by your banking partner. Check mark 6. Validity period. Prices change, so your quotation should mention how long it's valid. For example, valid for 30 days from the date of issue. Is a quotation legally binding? Usually, a quotation is not a binding contract. But if the buyer accepts it as is and places an order based on it, it can become a legal agreement depending on local laws and the exact wording of your quote. So always prepare it carefully, like a professional. And that's your crash course on international trade quotations, made simple for Bangladeshi businesses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our